Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. This is the quick start video for the Songmeter Micro 2 Wildlife Recorder. Let's see what's in the box. Here is a sheet of paper called Get Started Faster. These are the printed quick start instructions as well as links to additional resources. This yellow slip of paper provides information to check and update the firmware. I'll explain that in a moment. The Songmeter Micro 2 is monitored and programmed from an Android or iOS tablet or smartphone. This is done by way of a free app which is downloaded from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Therefore, before you go any further, please download and install the Songmeter Configurator app onto your smartphone or tablet. I'll take the Songmeter Micro 2 out of the box. The microphone is built in and located on the front at the bottom left. There is a bracket at the top as well as mounting holes for a cable lock, bungee cord, or zip ties. On the rear of the Songmeter Micro 2 is a standard half-inch threaded socket which can be used for a tripod-type mount. The Songmeter Micro 2 has a hinged lid. You can see the hinge at the bottom and a latch at the top. The latch snaps open and closed. When the latch is properly closed, the Songmeter Micro 2 is waterproof and ready to deploy. I'll open the lid. The Songmeter Micro 2 is powered by 4 AA batteries. I will go ahead and insert the batteries. Make sure to orient the batteries with the correct polarity. Insert the batteries from the outside to the inside in pairs. There are 2 ribbons which go under each pair of batteries. As you put in the second pair of batteries, lift both ribbons up between the 2 pairs. The ribbons now make it easy to remove the batteries later. Next, insert a micro SD memory card. Lay the card down flat and slide it into the slot until you feel it click into place. Now launch the Songmeter Configurator app on your Android or iOS device. The first time you do this, you may see messages from your device asking for permission to use location services or something similar. Allow permissions for any messages you see. When the app launches, the first screen to open is the recorder's screen. Notice the recorder's screen is currently empty. I'll move the power switch on my Songmeter Micro 2 to the on position. Once the Songmeter Micro 2 is powered on and is within Bluetooth range, it is detected by the Songmeter Configurator app and then listed in the recorder's screen. To the right of the Songmeter Micro 2 is a status icon. Tap the status icon. This is the status screen. The information in this screen is generated by the Songmeter Micro 2 and sent to the Songmeter Configurator app via Bluetooth beacon. We can see such things as the available space on the micro SD memory card. We can see the remaining charge of the batteries. All this information is available to the Songmeter Configurator app just by being within Bluetooth range of the powered-on Songmeter Micro 2. One last thing to mention here is that on occasion, Wildlife Acoustics releases new firmware updates. If a new firmware update becomes available for your Songmeter Micro 2, an alert message will be displayed when you check the status screen. The message will provide detailed information about the update, including instructions for installation. Now that I've checked the status screen, I'll tap the back icon to go back to the recorder screen. Press and hold the pair button on the Songmeter Micro 2 for at least 3 seconds. The Bluetooth LED blinks green, indicating the recorder is ready to pair with the app. A pair icon becomes available in the recorder's screen. Tap the pair icon to complete the pairing of the Songmeter Micro 2 recorder and the Songmeter Configurator app. You may now see a series of messages about configuring the time zone and location. Tap Yes or Allow for each of these messages. Pairing the recorder with the app allows you to make changes to the internal configuration of the Songmeter Micro 2. I'll tap the Config icon. This opens the paired Configuration Editor screen. You can only access this screen when the Songmeter Configurator app is paired with the Songmeter Micro 2. These are the current settings of the Songmeter Micro 2. If you adjust any setting in the Configuration Editor screen, that change is immediately saved to the recorder. You do not need to press any additional Save or Update button. I'll leave all the default settings for now and just choose a preset recording schedule. The Songmeter Micro 2 does not have a record button. Recording is enabled by means of a recording schedule. The preset recording schedules represent common deployment techniques. The default recording schedule is record 24 hours a day. What this means is that all we need to do is turn the power switch on and the Songmeter Micro 2 will start recording right away. And that's it. The Songmeter Micro 2 is now configured and ready to deploy. Thank you for watching.